All right, guys, today we're going to talk about magnetic locks. This was sent in by JCProv21. He said he bought it on eBay. He didn't tell me how much he paid for it, but he said he couldn't figure out how to get it to work. When you take a look at these little locks, this is a Gaia. I've seen the same lock being sold by a lot of different manufacturers. There's no openings on the lock anywhere, but there is a little slot right here. JCProv21 did get what appears to be a key. Now notice this little inset slot in the side, and it coincidentally is the same size as the magnetic key. And inside of the key are a series of magnets that match up with another series of magnets inside of here that directly interact with the shackle. When we place this in that slot so that it doesn't move around, it's down inside of there, and then you pull, these are supposed to open. It doesn't work. So when I turn it around the other way, which was exactly the opposite, it still doesn't work. So I suspect that JCProv21 got the wrong key with this lock. It just doesn't seem to be able to open it up. But it doesn't matter. We're going to spoof this thing open. And the way we're going to do it, we're going to use one of these little super magnets. You guys have seen these magnets. They hold on security badges for realtors and security guys. They also do a great job of holding my kids' art on the refrigerator. All we're going to do is we're going to take this little magnet. I'm going to move it up and down this slot to hopefully the magnetic field will move up and down and influence the magnets that are inside of this lock and pull them away from the shackle at some point if I get it just right. And the whole time I'm going to be pulling on this shackle. So at some point, hopefully it'll open up. Yeah, just like that. Guys, that is how easy it is to defeat these magnetic locks that you find on eBay. Please do not use these to lock up anything valuable like a bicycle or motorcycle or anything like that. Maybe a cookie jar, but that is about it. Anyway, JCProv21, thank you, sir, for sending it in. And I'm sorry your key doesn't work, but you really don't need no stinking key. You can use one of these magnets. Keep it conveniently on the side of the lock, so if a criminal needs to get in, he can easily do it too. All right, guys, let's go ahead and have a giveaway. I had a wonderful donation from UK Lockpickers. He sent in some of his brand new lockpick set. This is actually a tricolor, color-coded handles on this thing. I'm going to be giving away 3 of these kits. The black handles are 15,000, so very thin material. The blue color-coded handles and show you where all your rakes are. And the red color handles are the 22,000 inch thickness for those wider, tougher locks. UK Lockpickers also throws in a great selection of bottom of the keyway tensioners, long ones that you see here, and hidden inside back here is a bag with more bottom of the keyway tensioners, little ones in the Z wrenches, as well as a pair of top of the keyway tensioners. So again, I want to give away 3 of these. If you'd like to win one of those 3, go to that website. In the middle of the page is a purple band that says Weekend Giveaway. Register, and with a little bit of luck, you'll be one of the 3 people my webmaster randomly pulls next Saturday for one of these 3 kits. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. Stay away from magnetic locks.
LockLab, where the fun begins.